Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to teach you how you can install Homebrew on your macOS M1 and M2. So let's get started. So for that, go to your favorite browser and search for Homebrew and go to this first link, and here you can see the command. So you can click here to copy this command. Just click on it and go to the terminal, click on it and paste this command that just we copied from this one, and just enter it this one, and you have to enter your macOS password, enter, and this will install the Homebrew. So here you can see it is asking us to run this command to add Homebrew in our path. So simply just copy all these commands up to here, just say copy and just paste this here and enter. So this will now add the Homebrew in our path. To check it, just type nano space .jet profile and just click enter. So here you can see it had the Homebrew has been added to our path. To exit, do a Ctrl and X. And to check which version of Homebrew has been downloaded on your Mac, you can type brew, that's V. And here you can see the version is 4.6.20. Now you can install any software you want to install using Homebrew. So let me try to install MongoDB using Homebrew. So to install the MongoDB, type brew tab MongoDB/brew, enter. So now you can see it has been successfully installed. So we have to install the community version. For that, type brew install MongoDB community at 7.0. Click on enter. It's downloading. So it has been successfully installed. So just to check if it is which version of MongoDB we have, it's MongoD version. So it has been successfully installed with a version of 7.0.25. So thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.